we have S2000 and this is the problem. It's making a clicking noise on starting. So put that here. Make sure it's in neutral. So there's enough juice for it to light up and everything. We've had it on trickle charge. You know, it was pulling about 13 down to 12 now since I've started. So I'm going to show you one thing before we do commit to changing the battery. So we have like a power pack, similar to what you charge your phone from, just heavy duty power pack. And that comes with this adapter. So it's kind of an emergency jump starter kit. To be honest, it's not, if the battery's totally dead, it won't work. But if there's a bit of juice in it, it should fire up. So let's see if we can get this in. Cool. Power on. Yeah, it's got a full charge there, so that's good. So let's see if we can hook this up. Positive. We'll do this to the negative. Okay, let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, that is a good thing. Be rude not to, eh? So, I'd like to say it's the battery. It's the battery that's down. So let's see if we can get this changed. We picked something up from Euro Car Parts, so hopefully it fits. So to disconnect this battery, I'm going to undo this bolt here, and that should loosen the assembly. And then I will be undoing this one here, and that should take off the negative. And then there's two bolts here which kind of cages the battery down, and there's a handle just here. So you could quite easily use an adjustable spanner, but I'm going to use the socket set. The 10mm seems to fit nicely, so let's get this all together. This one, not too big. Oh, it's a little baby one. That one there. Cool. Okay, well I kind of messed that up. Negative, positive on this side. Negative, positive on the wrong side. So the leads don't fit. Negative fits, but the positive's just not going to stretch. So I'm afraid I'm going to go back to the garage and swap that over. Damn it. So take two. We've got the correct battery terminals in the correct position. This is a 158 they referred to, the other one was a 159. So let's get this bad boy fitted. So, moment of truth. Let's see if this has worked, if this gives me the power that we need. Yes, yes, we're back. Just a good look. Woohoo! There you go, folks. You get that clicking sound? The battery's buggered.